In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate DNS settings using Cloudflare. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to domain management, handling DNS settings can seem daunting, but don't worry, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in managing your domain's DNS settings. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Cloudflare website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to create. Just follow the sign-up prompts, and you'll be ready to go in no time. After you've logged into Cloudflare, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you can see all the domains you've added to your account. Choose the domain you'd like to modify by clicking on it. This will take you to the Domain Overview page, where you can manage various aspects of your domain. Now, the next step is to navigate to the DNS settings. To do this, locate the menu at the top of the page and click on the option labeled DNS. It's crucial to be in this section because this is where all the magic happens regarding DNS management. In the DNS section, you'll see a list of your current DNS records. These include record types like A, CNAME, TXT, and others, each serving different purposes for how your domain connects over the internet. What we're interested in today is editing one of these records. To do so, simply locate the record you wish to update within the list. You'll notice there's an Actions column on the far right. In this column, you'll find the Edit option. Click on it, and you'll be able to change the DNS IP or other settings relevant to that particular record. It's important to check that all information inputted is correct, as mistakes here can lead to connectivity issues or downtime for your website. Once you've made the necessary updates, remember to save your changes. Cloudflare processes these changes quickly, but it may take some time for DNS updates to propagate fully across the internet. Be patient, as this can sometimes take up to a few hours depending on various factors. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated and updated your DNS settings on Cloudflare. Managing DNS records can seem intricate, but with this step-by-step guide, you should feel a bit more comfortable handling these configurations. Remember, correct DNS management is critical to ensure your website remains accessible and functions smoothly for all your visitors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Happy managing!